So we spoke about business, we spoke about mountaineering, we spoke about your love for books and for sports also. You are somebody who's, you are actually a nerd in and out, I think what people don't realize is that sports is so important, physical fitness is so important for you
It is.
It is for you to function well. And as a society...
Not just for physical fitness, for mental wellness as well. The minute you step out, you run, you jog, I'm sure there are so many, sports enthusiasts and people who are into the fitness business who are authorities, obviously, they will tell you that how your mental well-being, is enhanced because you're physically fit and you get out there, get out of the bed and you are physically active.
Yeah. And I think when you are into physical fitness also, you set in a discipline, right? The discipline plays a...
It comes in.
It comes in. So, one thing that I want to know personally is, what is the secret behind your youthful glow?
Having friends like you who bring out the best in me. And those who don't, I block them.
How do you look like this? What is it that you maintain?
Yeah, thank my mom, my father, I guess. But yeah, I think the stress of life kind of takes away all the fat in me because I burn up so much, wondering what to do next. So yeah, I think being physically fit makes a huge difference in the way you treat your body.
Yeah.
Yes.
And diet.
And food. Yeah,
and
of
food
course.
also.
Yeah.
So are you, like, what do you generally eat? I mean, if you can...
I used to eat everything. I love street food. I love
And how
all
do you look
cuisine.
like this with eating street food?
I told you, take on stress.
Run a business on your own.
Take on stress and run a business which keeps you on your toes, not a desk job. So although I have a lot of respect for the tech guys, I also feel sorry for them because they're all glued to the system, throughout the day, poor guys and poor girls. So I eat everything. I'm a big foodie. You may not believe it.
I don't.
I love my biryanis. I love Pan Asian food. I love continental food. I love North Indian food. I salivate over South Indian food. But as you age, and like I'm now in my 60s, your body cannot digest, food. So my tongue says eat, but my mind says stop doing it. So I'm very careful about what I eat now because I can't afford to fall sick because of my food habits. So I tend to avoid those trees where I know some excellent food is being served. The street food.
Salmonella.
And I stay away from home because the minute I'm at home, I'm all the time looking at the kitchen. So
who would believe?
So one needs to be careful. I mean, this is I never give out advice to anybody, but this is my tip to people who are growing old. Eat less.
Eat less and do strength training.
Eat less and do strength training, yes. And keep that stress. It helps.
So quickly, your favorite places to eat in HSR?
In HSR? You show me the place, that is my favorite place. I love experimenting, and I have a couple of friends who love visiting new places, and eating. So I don't want to take names here because if I take one name, the other one will feel bad. So
okay, so then favorite dishes, like something that's like your soul food.
Pan Asian is my soul food. I love Japanese, and if that is not available, I love rasam rice, pickle, papad, and palya. I love that. And I love my Arogya Ahara. I love masala dosa. I love idli sambar. I love chole bhatura. I love...
We're heading to Arogya Ahara after this.
I love chaat.
You love chaat?
I love chaat. I love chaat.
What chaat do you like?
Anything. My husband makes kick-ass chaat. Ooh. I love that. But I love the street food better because I like a little bit of the street dust in the water.
And the dirty hands.
Yeah. No dirty hands. Hey, no, yeah. They wear gloves, and they put it in. I love it. Yum.
Yeah. Masala dosa, which is also when it comes to sambar, what is your preference? The Tamil sambar or the
No, not Tamil sambar. I don't like Tamil sambar.
You like
I
sweet-
like the Karnataka sambar.
sweet sambar?
No, Karnataka sambar is not sweet.
Oh.
Is it?
Yeah,
no, a little sweetish.
Yeah,
is it?
yeah,
Maybe.
if you right,
I
you
like
find
that.
it, huh?
I like that. I find Tamil sambar a little bland compared
Okay.
to, it's even the color is so reddish out here.
Okay.
I like Adiga's masala dosa. I like Rameshwaram masala dosa. I'm sure there are quite a few haters. I don't care. I love that.
Doesn't matter.
I don't like Davangere benne dosa.
No.
I don't like that. I love the dosa made by my cook at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. I love the dosa I also make.
Do you like? How do you rate yourself as a cook?
I'm a decent cook.
Decent
Like if I were to cook every day, then I would not be running my business because I take almost 1 hour to chop vegetables. But I put on table a fairly decent fare. Yeah, I can make Vietnamese food
Oh.
very well. Yeah, I can do that. I make pizzas. They also come out pretty well. My daughter's a big fan of my cooking, so I'm okay. Having said that, please don't expect me to cook for others. I don't have time.
See, that's why I like Maina so much. That is so cool.
Actually, I should be cooking because the day I cook, I don't eat my food because it puts me off.
Yeah,
so
that
much
is-
of food. Yeah,
that is so true.
Yeah.
So